Hello student, welcome to Concept of Chemistry by SSK. My name is Swapnali. I have qualified CSIR NET exam 2 times and Maharashtra SET exam. In this video, I will teach you organomercury compound from organometallic chemistry. What is meant by organomercury compound? Organo means the chemistry of carbon and hydrogen, and mercury means bond between carbon and mercury. And what is meant by organometallic chemistry? Organo means study of carbon and hydrogen. Metallic means the bond between carbon and metal. Here we study the carbon and metal chemistry, and here we use the metal is mercury. Now we can see what are the organomercury compound, how they are synthesized, and what are the reactions of organomercury compound, and what are the applications of organomercury compound. The organomercury compounds are the Hg2 salt. Here oxidation state is 2, and these are electrophile. Electrophile means they are electron deficient. It is an electron deficient species, therefore it adds to alkenes. Alkenes is electron rich. These alkenes are electron rich and these are electron deficient. Therefore alkene attack on these electron deficient species. The charge on alkali is negative and substitute in aromatic compound, and it is also substitute means replacement of the aromatic hydrogen of the benzene is replaced by the mercury compound. Now we can see the reaction. First reaction is reaction with alkene. Here this alkene is electron rich, therefore it attack on this mercury. One OAC is eliminated. This reaction is take place in presence of THF in water. THF is tetrahydrofuran. It is an solvent. Here this bond attack on this mercury OAC is eliminated. Here positive charge is generated. This is secondary carbocation, therefore it is stable. Here two possibility for addition of mercury. If here carbocation is generated and HEOAC attached here. This carbocation is primary, means only one alkyl group is attached to this positively charged species. Therefore, the positive charge is not stabilized in primary. Therefore, these possibilities cancel out, and this possibility here, then the water is attacked to this positively charged carbon and we get here alcohol. Here is the HOAC. If we attack alcohol to this carbon, then we get ether. Here is the ether. If we attack acid to this positively charged carbon, then we get ester. Means for the synthesis of alcohol, ether, ester, the organomercury compounds are important. What are the application of organomercury compound? The application of organomercury compound is synthesis of alcohol, ether, esters from the alkene. This is the application of organomercury compound, and how this mercury compound is removed with the help of reduction method, and which reducing agent is used. NaBH4 is the reducing agent. It consists of hydrogen in the form of hydride. This hydride is attacked on this carbon, means alkyl group, then OAC part is eliminated and we get alkene. Now we can see the next reaction. Here this double bond is electron rich, therefore it attack on the mercury. One OAC is eliminated and we get here positive charge. Here is the HgOAC. Another possibility is cancel out. Why another possibility is cancel out? Because this carbocation is secondary, this carbocation is tertiary, and tertiary carbocation is stable as compared to secondary. Therefore, this possibility is cancel out because here 3 donating group and it stabilizes positive charge. Here only 2 donating group. Therefore, here not carbocation is stabilized. Here is more stabilized carbocation. Then the water is attacked to this positively charged carbon and we get here HgOAC. Here is the Me. Here is the OH. and positive charge on the oxygen is positive charge neutralized by removal of this proton, and we get here OH, here is the Me, and here is the HgOAc. This HgOAc is reduced with the help of NaBH4. NaBH4 consists of hydrogen in the form of hydride. It attack on this carbon and we get this compound. Means we synthesize the alcohol from the alkene. Now we can see next reaction. Here alkynes are given. These alkynes react with mercury compound. This double bond attack on the mercury and we get here double bond, here CH. Here is the positive charge. It is stabilized because of this alkyl group. Because alkyl group donates electron to the positive charge, and here is the HgSO4. Then water is attack on this carbon and we get here R C double bond CH. Here is the OH. Here positive charge neutralized by the removal of hydrogen and we get here R C double bond CH. Here is the OH. Here is the HgSO4, and in presence of acid this part is removed and here hydrogen is added and we get this compound. This is the enol. What is enol? En means this alkene, OL means hydroxy group. It converts into keto means here tautomerism takes place. Enol converts into a keto form and we get this compound. Now we can see next reaction. In this reaction, the double bond is electron rich. It attack on the mercury. One OAC is depart and we get here. Here is the carbocation form. Not here because this carbocation is stable. Here is the HgOAc. Then it is this carbocation is unstable. If here is the carbocation take place, then here is the positive charge. Here is the HgOAc. This carbocation is tertiary because the alkyl group is attached to this positively charged. And here two alkyl group, therefore it is not possible. This carbocation is possible. Then here this oxygen, it is an intramolecular reaction, is attack on this carbon and we get here is the methyl group. Here is the oxygen, here positive charge, here is the lone pair, here is the H, and here is the 2-methyl group, and here is this carbon, and here is the HgOAc. This is reduced with the help of NaBH4, and we get here hydrogen. Here is this hydrogen neutralize the positive charge of the oxygen, and lone pair is generated and we get this compound. These two compounds are similar. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-member ring. Here is also 6-member ring. Here 6-member ring 4, 5, 6. Here 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe my channel.